Start your day the smarter way, with speed, style, and simplicity. Introducing the Amazon Basics electric kettle with a sleek glass carafe, designed for tea lovers, coffee enthusiasts, and busy mornings. With powerful 1500 watts, it heats water in minutes, faster than traditional stovetops, so you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying. Perfect for tea, coffee, instant noodles, or anything that needs hot water, this kettle makes life easier. With a generous 1.7-liter capacity and easy-to-read water level indicator, you'll always have just the right amount. Safety comes first. Built-in auto shutoff and boil-dry protection give you peace of mind every time you use it. Crafted with BPA-free materials and a